back again to my channel. In case you're new here, a round of applause for you from me, from my or giving you guys options for products you can get. If you have a bad skin and you want to repair your skin, I'm trying as much as possible to make my voice louder so that you guys can hear me. And some people have been complaining about my voice, about the sound, but very soon I promise I'm going to get a mic for this, so just bear with me for now. So I'm just here to give you options of what to get, of a cream you can get, of creams that you can get if you have a very bad skin and you want to repair your skin. Because there are times we get products that damage our skin, or if you have been using a very bad product for a very longer period of time and your skin is not good again, or you don't like the way your skin looks, or you want to just go back to your normal self and then start using natural things and you don't know which to opt in for. And I want you guys to realize that there is a big difference between a natural product and an organic product. There is a big difference between a natural product and organic product, but this video is not for that. That will be a video for another time when I have all the full information. So I'm going to give it out to you guys. So today I just want to list out some creams that I know that are very much affordable and available at the drugstore or your any cosmetic shop that you can get your creams and all of that I know you can get, and I know they are very, very effective. And number one on my list is very, very popular, which is the Vaseline Repair Lotion, the Yellow Intense Vaseline Repair Lotion. If you know that you have bleached your skin and you are not comfortable with the way you look now, and you just want to change your look, or you want to go back to your normal skin tone, then you can get the Vaseline Repair Lotion. It's yellow in color. I will insert the picture so you guys can see. So if you want to change, or you want to go back to your normal self, to your normal skin color, you can always opt in for that. You can always get the Vaseline lotion to repair your skin. Then you can now pick yourself, or now start again by using natural product or organic product, which are going to be safe for your skin. Or you can even stop using cream after repairing your skin and just opt in for maybe body oils that you will even make yourself. You don't have to get that. You can make it DIY yourself. So then next on my list is the Ultra Repair Cream. Ultra Repair Cream too is very, very good to repair your skin, to take you back to your first color, your natural color. And Ultra Repair Cream, I don't think it's really popular nowadays because it's hard for me customer. So I don't know if it will be available. I don't know if it will be available in your own country. But to be sincere, Ultra Repair Cream is also a very good cream that you can use to repair your skin. So the third on my list is Aveeno. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but I think this one is very, very popular. There's Aveeno. Aveeno cream too is also good to repair your skin. This particular one, I am very sure you can get it because it's a very popular product. I think they have other products too that they are making, so you can always get Aveeno. Aveeno too is really, really nice, because sometimes you get products in the market and they will not tell you that. They will just tell you that this cream is good. You might buy a cream, or they just buy a cream and they use it, maybe their elbows or their knees start getting darker, then you will know that this cream is actually doing a lot of damages to your skin. That's why you see me when I come here, I just come here natural. I don't need to start applying makeup to come and convince you. Don't expect me to come online with makeup to start convincing you about this or about that. Sometimes I come here and you see me breaking out a lot. It's because it's normal. It's not as if nobody's skin is perfect. We are just trying to take proper care of our skin, because it's a clothes we're going to wear for the rest of our life, and we have to maintain our skin. So Aveeno too is a go-to product that you can get if you know you have a damaged skin and you want to go back to your normal skin color. Aveeno is good. Number 4 is the Cocoa Butter Formula. Cocoa Butter Formula, the Palmer's product, is really, really nice. This particular one is like Vaseline. but trust me, it is going to help you repair your skin. And even if you use this product for give your skin that glow that you want, it's going to even out your skin very well after repairing, but it's going to first take you back to your normal skin color. That's if you're using the cocoa butter formula Palmer's product. So that is really good. That product is really good too. If you know you want to repair your skin, you can always opt in for that, and I trust you, this particular one, you are never going to regret that you get this product, because it is really effective. It's going to take you back to your normal color, then do a very nice job on your skin, and you're going to love yourself. And after, if you know you're buying this product and it works for you, definitely amazing, be a bottle of Coke. But next time, sha. So you have watched this video to this particular point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button now, please. No problem. Then the last on my list, I told you guys I would just be talking about 5. Then the last on my list is the Skin Success Palmer Lotion. The same company actually produced these 2 products and they are very nice. So the Skin Success Palmer Lotion too is really good. That's why you will see some people, they are dark skin and they bleach their skin, and when they now start using the Success Palmer Lotion, they will now tell you it's making them get dark, because it is not a bleaching cream, sis. It's not going to make you get fairer. It's going to take you back to your normal color. Then it's now going to balance your skin tone, sis. It's not going to bleach you. Palmer's and cocoa butter, it is very easy. Like, it is easier to get anywhere. They are common products in the market that you can get. I think they are being sold for 2,500 naira or 3,000 naira, or even less safe, depending on your state or your country. I don't know, but I know it's about 2,000 naira to 3,000 naira, so it's very cheap. So if you know you have a damaged skin and you want to repair your skin, you can always opt in for any of these 5 products. They are really good products that are going to help you repair your skin, take you back to the normal skin tone that you have, and even out your skin to make you fall in love with your skin again. You're going to gain your confidence back, to be honest. So with this, I think I have helped someone, and with this, I think you guys are going to subscribe to my channel after watching this video, because it is really needed. So if you watch my video to this particular point, I just want you to know that I love you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you so much for supporting me. I see a lot of you guys comment, and trust me, I'm going to go live either today or tomorrow, and I'm going to answer all of that in the video. I'm also posting just in case you have similar questions that you need answers for, and you are just busy to type your question in the comment section, so you can watch that video and just get answers to all your questions. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for clicking on my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.